raining and he's naked. Hello guys, my name is Alex and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with the new car of the channel. It's basically my girlfriend's daily car that she bought a few days ago, and that's because she just passed a driving test just a few days ago. It's quite a powerful car for first time driver because it has about 170 horsepower. Now we were gonna make it more powerful. So let's go ahead and see the car. So here we have it. It's a 1.4 engine with a turbocharger and a forged air intake system, and it has a sport cat and I think a back box delete, if I'm not sure, I haven't checked it. Normally this car should push around 160 horsepower, but right now it's pushing about 175, 180. I haven't put it on the dyno yet because we just bought it. Again, it's for first time driver because my girlfriend just passed it. It looks very nice, but we're gonna do some mods. We will have to change the splitter because as you can see, this is a little bit fucked up. But we will change that in the near future. We already have some mods that will have to come, and you will probably see it in the next video. Some mirror cups and a quick clutch kit. We have the pan roof. This car it has the DDC suspension. We have the carbon spoiler, which is looking nice, and that gives a little touch up. And to be honest, I would like to do something with the back because I don't like the exhaust. I would like to have quad or at least like the Scirocco ones, because this is looking too boring. So we're gonna make something about that. Plus the backlights and the headlights, they will be replaced. And then I need to show you something else. There is a very nice touch up that you don't really see on many cars. So as we get to the interior, you might be able to see something different, which is not usual for this kind of car, because the speedometer, it's with blue instead of red as it normally comes on these cars. But because Aldo saw this car before, it's his old pride and joy, he done so many mods to it, he replaced it, and it's looking clean. I'm sure my girlfriend is gonna enjoy it. But then of course we're gonna do many mods on this. We're planning to do the always black, and she wants pink calipers. But yeah, this car is gonna be interesting. So with all that said, let's take it for a drive and let's see what's capable of. So we have just jumped into the car to drive it. Oh, is it not cold right now? It's raining and he's naked. Yeah, right now we are in sport because of course this car has comfort, normal and sport, and it actually does something. It actually does something to the suspension, which is mad. My Golf R doesn't even have it, to be honest. So this is a special 1.4, and yeah, we have the sunroof as well, and the sound of the exhaust sounds quite good. Wait, let me downshift into first gear. It might not be the fastest one, but it's still fast. 0 to 60 in 5 minutes late. It's raining right now, but I kind of like this car, and it's a manual, a driver's car. So again, I've just put it into sport, and let's go. I'm always looking for my pads, you know, to downshift and upshift, but this is a manual. Unlucky for us, it's quite busy outside and it's raining as well. My girlfriend is eating a pizza. That's looking nice. I can't wait to record this video so I can... Hey! Then pull on it. Apparently he said sorry too, so it's fine. Anyway, there's no... You can't get upset, you know, mistakes happens into the traffic. So yeah, as long as people are nice and say, hey listen, I didn't mean to, everything's alright. But you know, there are some drivers that even if they do a mistake, they will come out and be like, oh, who you want? Them kind of dickheads. Oh, another one. What's going on, bro? I don't think you have ever seen me driving a manual on this channel, but I was planning to actually drive my friend's Vlad one because he has a Ford Fiesta ST conversion, and that car is a manual. It's pushing about 232 horsepower, and it's very light. So, whenever I'm a passenger into that car, it feels like that car has about 500 horsepower. I really like the way this drives. It's a really good car for daily. Even though if that was my car when I first passed my driving test, bro, I would be so happy. I would be a danger to the roads. I had a Ford Fiesta, and actually I had, my first car was a Corsa, a 75 horsepower Corsa from 2003. Bro, even in that car was a danger. Imagine having 170 horsepower on my car at 18 years old. Because it's raining, I don't want to put my GoPro on the exterior. I'm always looking to downshift, but I can't downshift. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead instead of my usual. This is a road that I normally take sometimes when there's traffic and there's daytime. It's very quiet, it's very nice. The speed bumps. The thing is, my girlfriend washed this car just about 1 hour ago, and she was so happy to clean it and looking very clean, but apparently it didn't last too long. This is a nice area. There is no camera. Trust me, I've been here many times. Apparently there are cars coming. I wonder. Oh, that's a diesel. That is a diesel. Wait. Oh my days! Wait. That's bad. That is bad. This is bad road. We don't need to go there. Also, this. Oh, look how many vans. Oh, I think there's a zoo. Welcome to. Wait, doggy care. I think no. There's a animal care around here. Alright, I understand. Alright, it looks nice. Look how nice it looks. How should be? Let's put this. I'm gonna put this down because I want to hear the car go pop. I really hate when it's raining like that and then the sun comes out because you can't really see much. Oh, I can't see nothing. My girlfriend said earlier that she saw a rainbow, but I can't see it anywhere. Ah, behind. Apparently behind. Yeah, I can't really tell. It's no, I can't avoid it, unfortunately. Well, so far I really like the way this car drives, and to be honest, I can't wait for Aldo Scirocco to be back on the channel, because I remember he went on Friday to get some little tweaks to his map, and right now he's pushing 380 horsepower. He done the balance shaft delete, and I can't wait to actually have a quick reaction into that car once we get on the road. And about this car, you're gonna see it on the channel here and there, because of course this car is gonna be mostly with my girlfriend. And then whenever it's around, we're gonna try and get all the modifications that we can to this car. We also have a sponsor for this car. It's Ion Boost. We already got the parts for the car, and maybe in the next video when I'm getting more mods, I'm gonna install it to the car so we can make a video where we just do mods, because we try to modify this car for my girlfriend, because she's gonna keep it for like 1-2 years, maybe more. Can't wait to see the journey of this car, because it's gonna be a nice one. Maybe we can get it stage 3. I have a friend that he's Scirocco. It's 1.4 and he took it stage 3. It's running about 300 something horsepower, but I think that will be a little bit too pushed for this car. And also this is quite loud. Nice. We are now heading home because it's raining and there's a lot of traffic. We can't really record a lot, but that was just an introduction of the car, because I wanted you to see the new project of the channel, and I'm hoping that you will like it, because I do like this car. It drives very nice, it's very smooth, and right now I think it's in comfort. Right now it's in comfort, and it's a very comfortable car. Not as sport as we are used to, but we're gonna make this car be a little beast for my girlfriend, so she can join the gang. And that's why before even starting recording, it was such a nice weather outside. It was looking nice, it was sunny, there was no issue. You wouldn't even think it would have started to rain that early, but now as soon as I turn the camera on, rain. Done. Rain and traffic. We are moving again. Finally. But not for long apparently. Come on, we are not actually gonna be so stuck into traffic. To be honest, I think I will have to find a different route, because I need some empty roads where there's barely any traffic at any time of the day, any day of the week. What the fuck are you doing, bro? I think he didn't want to go there. Maybe it should be a red or something. Alright guys, hopefully you did enjoy this video. That was just a quick presentation of the car, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because that's gonna help me a lot. And I will see you with the next video, probably on my car. Bye.